I'm going to give you a quick tour about how to actually operate this Mitsubishi thermostat. Full disclosure, I originally installed a Google Nest and I can't stand the turning, the clicking. I just need a touch screen. So let this video determine whether or not this particular guy is right for you. So as you can see, it is dimmed right now to save on electricity. You can kind of see the humidity and the fact that it is 75 degrees, but once you click on it, you can see that it's fairly responsive. You can see that the mode right now is on 75 degrees and it's not heating, it's not cooling, this is just a basic temperature. So to change the mode, let's say for example we wanted to cool it down, we would go down here and click on mode, and then see it says heat right there. You just cycle through cool. So if we wanted to cool it down to 73 degrees, or we want to, cool it down to 74, you could do that. Mode, there's just a fan, so if you want to just get fresh air in your house, you could do that. And then once you keep clicking it, it's on auto. So let's say you wanted it between a certain degrees, so cool to 73, or we could heat to 77 eventually. But eventually, you know, it's getting, let's just keep it at 72. And then mode, again, now it's just off. So it just kind of cycles through that whole thing just by going to mode, heat, cool, fan, auto, off. Very, very easy. As you can see, I am connected to my Wi-Fi right there. The time is accurate, 5:53 p.m. This means that you can actually connect remotely to this. So let's say, for example, you have an Airbnb and you want to ensure that the heat is off and it's not running the whole time. If a guest has already checked out, you can easily turn it off. So overall, I think it's fairly sleek. It matches the decor kind of nicely, as you can see. And it's not kind of this bulbous little round dial as you would normally get with the Google Nest, but looks quite nice.